Hi, this is Rob Leo, and in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can freeze some rows and columns in Google Sheets so that even when you scroll, those rows and columns will be locked in place. Got a spreadsheet here that has the social studies teachers at the high school. It's their daily schedule. This is a hybrid year, so we have our Monday, Tuesday group and our Thursday, Friday group. We've got the teachers along row one. We've got the class periods along column A and the class times along column B. What I want to do, even though when I scroll, I want to make sure I know what the time period is so I can schedule observations. And I also want to know who the teacher is. So what I want to do is lock row one with all the teacher names, and I want to lock column A with the periods and column B with the time slots, and want to lock those in place. So here's how you do it. I'm first going to select row one, and under the View menu option, I'm going to freeze one row. So now this is locked in place. Watch what happens when I scroll. I'm sorry, when I scroll up and down. The names row one stay in place. And now I want to do the same thing for column A and column B. And again, I don't think I need to select. I'm just going to click View, Freeze, Columns, two columns. You can also select a column, but I want the first two columns. And notice this will only let you do up to two rows or up to two columns, or you can customize and select a column or row. So let's pick those first two columns. Notice there's a little marker here. You can kind of see what that looks like. Now again, when I scroll, columns A and B are locked in place. And as you recall, row one is locked in place. This just gives me a better idea of what I'm looking at when I go through. Let's say I want to know, oh, look, there's a time slot for Global History 9. I want to make sure that I can get to Mrs. Hogan's class at 8:45 a.m. Thanks for listening, and I hope you found this useful.